I'm David Graham, and I love sugarcane juice. Here's some recipes. Hey, this is me, David, and sugarcane juice has changed my life dramatically. It has given me incredible opportunities, allowed me to grow a dynamic and growing business for 14 years straight, and to be able to provide sugarcane juice for millions of people worldwide using my machines. If you like the sugarcane recipes video, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, as I will be posting more videos and more information on everything sugarcane. I have over 42 different machines, a machine for your budget and need, from small home models all the way up to large industrial models, sugarcane juicing machines by David's Cane Machines. What we're looking at here is the 3 horsepower machine. This is a great model for people that are just starting up, that need a larger volume than a small commercial machine, but not so big that they're starting a big factory. This model has an incredible extraction volume of 700 ml per milliliter, and this is one of my best sellers for jaggery makers, juice bottlers, syrup makers, and more. This is the Tubo Max 3. I also have the Tubo Max 5 horsepower. This is a model that has 4 rollers with shark teeth roller technology. It has filters that can be removed while the machine is running. Most machines you have to stop the machine to change the filters. This model has a special quick change filter so that you can juice without having to change the filter, and then you can continue your juicing with this. And this is a one-pass technology. All the juice is out in one pass with the David's Cane Machine Tubo Max model, and all models from Micro Mini all the way to my large size models. I have sugarcane washing machines, mini sugarcane machine, sugarcane peelers. I have industrial models, light industrial models, large industrial models, everything sugarcane here at David's Cane Machine. Subscribe if you're new, and your like is appreciated.